Hello, today I would like to show you how to change the ident code of the betaX. Changing the ident code is essential if you want to program, for example, 4 to 20 milliamp in the pump. If you have a pump without 4 to 20 and want to program it in, you need it. If you have a pump without Bluetooth and you equip it with a Bluetooth chip, you need to activate it. So like in this case, we have inserted a Bluetooth chip. So here the blue LED is not on, and now we program it in. If it's successful, the blue LED will blink afterwards. Or if we change the liquid end, for example, from a small liquid end to a big liquid end, it's always important or essential to adapt the ident code, otherwise it will not work. First of all, always stop the pump. This is absolutely needed, that the pump is stopped, and it needs to be powered on when changing the ident code. So here is the config program on the service page below software. We've downloaded it. Now we've downloaded it. And here is the configuration program. It's open. Now we have the COM box, and that's the same COM box which you also have at the Gamma X. I put it now in the level input, the COM box. So you see the LEDs are on, we are connected, and here below options you can do an automatic firmware update. So if this hook is set, then the pump will do the ident code change and check also if there is a newer software on the server and do automatically a firmware update. First, I'm reading out the pump data. So here you see the serial number. I'm copying now the serial number and paste it. I want to have the same serial numbers as before. Now I read out the pump data again for the ident code. So this is the ident code. I'm copying it, and you can also do via the ident code generator a new ident code. But as this is faster, I'm doing it like this. And here is the 0, that means pump without 4 to 20 and without Bluetooth. I'm programming in now the C, enter, and then operator, you need, like in my case, Daniel Marcolini, and amount 1. So, and now with everything, COM box is connected, we programmed in the new ident code, which should have the pump, and then we click on start, and now it's checking for firmware version, so it's checking if there's something newer. In our case, there's nothing newer. So here you see it's checking the connection, it's checking the firmware, and the configuration was now successful. That means we have now a new configuration, and we also see this by the blinking blue LED. Before it was not on. And now we have programmed in the Bluetooth, the blue LED is blinking, and now my pump has also the 4 to 20 milliamp feature. The configuration was successful. This is how to program a pump.